As part of the Strategic Innovators and Leadership Program, the first starting point for engineers and scientists is to start with the Level 1 workshop. It's an online workshop. So what is the key learning from this? There are fundamentally three important learnings. First one is understanding language of innovation. If I know Java, I can actually program in Java. Similarly, if I know the language of innovation, I can innovate it. There are multiple analytical tools that are used that can able to tell you what problems you want to solve, and you can make choices. One of the problem with engineers, I call it engineering bias. They think that they are there to solve the most complex problems. But let me ask you this. If you can solve a simple problem and deliver an impactful solution, wouldn't that be easier than solving a most complex problem and break your head for it? But how do you know that? That's what we get from the analytical tools. The second part of the learning is ability to model a problem in three unique ways. So in the present COVID situation, right? So we want to wear a mask primarily to stop the virus, but the amount of oxygen that gets in becomes limited. So I have a gain, but I have a penalty. We call it as an inventive problem. We call it as a technical contradiction. The second way of modeling the problem is I want the mask in order to stop the virus, but I don't want the mask in order to have more oxygen. We call it as a physical contradiction, a problem formulation at a parameter level. The third one, we call it as a function-oriented search, where I look into domains which are beyond the mask and try to see what solutions I can adapt. I can look into stealth technology, where you basically shield the plane from the radar. So the second fundamental learning is you formulate inventive problems in any one of these and you solve it. The third most important learning is about ability to come with novel solutions, overcoming psychological inertia. The more someone has built a competency, more is the psychological inertia and it's habitual thinking. So the learning that we teach about started in Russia 7 decades ago, and more importantly, since the time of evolution, there are only 40 inventive principles that are used to solve any complex problem. Be it now in software, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, or regular physical devices. So the level 1 basically addresses on product innovation. It could be on physical devices or it could be on digital devices. If you want to get a practical novel solution, you can actually sign up for facilitation sessions, which I do that. Or if you have an immediate solution, need for immediate solution, we can do real-time consulting. Well, the level 1, I call it as innovator beginner, and I call it as a structured jugaad, because the spirit of finding solutions within the resources is the most important thing, and having a clear structure of problem solving gives structured jugaad to it. So we call it as structured jugaad level 1 or an innovator beginner. Well, happy inventing. I look forward to have you experience the workshop. Until now, you can actually look at my website. A lot more testimonials of people who actually benefited from this learning, who have been filing patents, which are really valuable.